Good morning. How are we doing? Right, a little video today, just a quick short update as to what the bloody hell's happening and what to expect in the new year, because it's a big push, as it's always been on this channel. But yeah, try and prioritise everything, but I still want a big push on the channel. But work is getting in the way at the moment. New telly for all. This is my editing room, so this is all going to change very soon. So this is where I'm going to edit all the videos. Then we've got a microphone there, probably use that once. I've got an old microphone here, that was crap. It was a rubbish one, so I improved it and I bought this microphone. And I've only used that maybe once or twice. Got the drone there for all the edits as well. Never used that to its full potential. Yeah, so this was good. This is going to be my editing desk. I used it a little bit, but not as much as I wanted to. So yeah, this is going to come to life. This is my mood look, my little mood face. Look, this is me right now. That's me. This will be me in the new year if no one likes and subscribes. So make sure you do that. I'll put that in here. You done it? Yeah, right, cheers. Little camera there that I'm trying to figure out how to use. It's my mum's old camera. Yeah, I want to learn how to get better at it. At the moment I'm crap and it takes crap pictures. But I think that is it's a real old good camera. So yeah, I want to learn how to use that. Yeah, so the telly there, so I can watch back all my edits and make sure that they're all in super high definition. Has that just changed? Because I'm now filming in cinematic. Yeah, so I've even got the Le Mans Steve McQueen 1970s Porsche 917. Even this is making movies. So that'll be me one day from this room. This is where it all happened. My little light there that kind of glares onto the telly, so that's on this switch. It makes quite a cool feature, doesn't it? It's quite good. It's pretty good. And then I recently installed spotlights. It was never going to have spotlights, this room, but ordinarily it is too dark, so it's got spotlights. And then out here into the wonderful garden. So there's a project coming on the garden soon when the weather gets better. So I want to build like a nice shed and then like a sunk down greenhouse. So yeah, but I need a means and a way of getting rid of all the soil. So I kind of want another pickup truck. You remember my flatbed pickup truck that I went to Germany in and collected that Fiesta? The Fiesta had gone, so I wanted to restore the Fiesta. But because I travelled, I kind of had to, I didn't want to spend my travel money restoring the Fiesta, although I think it would have made good content. However, Jamie did say this.
Put my fingers through them. I wonder if you keep pocket. I don't need to shut money away, Jordan. That's all I am.
So yes, so plenty of projects coming up now. Now because we're home, we're back, we're working, just finding time and space to do what it is that we want to do. We've got the hallway project coming up as well, so there's a loft ladder going in here. There's a bit of painting and everything else to finish off in the hallway, so we never actually touched it because I just knew we had to get things up and down. We had to get the sofa in here, so that sofa bed is very, very heavy. That takes two of you to carry up, and that knocked the hell out of the walls. So there's all this to kind of put to bed and finish off. And then in the loft, I want to board it out and put a racing simulator in there as well. So yeah, I want to put a TV on the chimney breast. I'll show you. Let's have a look. No point talking about it, Gordon, is it? Let's put it. I'll show you. So yeah, we need a proper loft ladder because this one is not that proper. But I'll show you in here somewhere. Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff in here, but what I want to do, what I want to do is build some shelves to get rid of all these boxes, and then on that chimney breast I want to put a TV, the biggest TV I can get for there, and then like a little racing simulator, so I can come up here and hide away from the old moaning girlfriend. Have you done this? Have you done that? And I can just shut this when my loft ladder's there, just shut it, lock it, probably have a little beer fridge up here and just have some beers, because I like a bit of time to myself. But it's nice just knowing she's not too far away. But yeah, racing simulator up here in the loft. So yes, one day got that. Yep, so we're gonna have that's to come. So yes, it's all coming together nicely. It's only took 5 years, maybe. Well, I say 5 years. I first started my YouTube channel back in, I don't know, 2010.
Hello there.
Put a picture of it here on my old channel.
You may remember me from such films as...
How fun is that? Yeah, so I started that channel back in Australia, but never really, I can't remember what camera I was using then. Probably just my phone and just uploading small videos, but yeah, stopped, never saw it through till today. So yes, we're just going to keep going. Right, next project on my list. See ya. Oh, I ain't gone yet. Trying to get down ladders. Bloody hell. Prescription needs collecting, washing up needs doing, towels need putting away, all these chores. I'm not made for it. I'm not made for this. I need to do a tip run of the bloody box of the telly that's still in the back of the van. So yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. This is like true life, trying to be a chuffing YouTuber. Even the calendar got neglected. So ended up with a new gin today. Don't drink much gin. What else did I get? I got this vodka, and I got Hawkston Black. Bit racist. Right, let's get outside. I ain't got a coat, but I'll brave it today. I have to get my hair cut. Don't know if I told you that. Right. So there's the living with the transporter van videos to finish off. I think that's finished charging. I know a lot of you are not electric van or electric car enthusiasts, but this van here is awesome. Where the fuck won't that fucking piece of shit go? Keys are in my hand. Talk to it. Do it. Unlock. Oh, there you go. So that's living with the e-transporter. I quite like it, love it. And then there's what to do with this old Mini. Right, it's not old, but it is old. I mean, how old is it? 17 years old? Old in my eyes. So yeah, it's what to do with that. So there's plenty to come. There's plenty to come. Just emptying all the rubbish. Put those in here. Right, so this van's going to get racking. It's also going to get a tow bar because the Evo is also a job to do. So the Evo is that's going to be next. But I just need to get it to and from where it is at the moment to the workshop, which is not too far away. It's just a friend's workshop that I'm hoping we can just use just to get what we need for it, turn that around and hopefully get that back on the road in the spring. So yes, so that van hopefully is going to help me get from A to B, and we'll review the van's performance as well. So whatever the van, living with the e-transporter, such a controversial subject, but I am a big petrolhead. I love cars, and don't be disheartened by electric vehicles. I don't get the negative vibe, and I'd like to kind of, I mean, I'm not selling your electric cars. I don't really care what you drive, but I just think they're so at the moment, they're so underrated. That van, for me, for work, is absolutely fantastic. So yes, take my word for it. Right, what have I come in here for? Keys. So all the stone's gone down here. So this is where the new shed's going to go. So it's going to start from here, all the way down to about here, I think. I want a shed, so I'm going to build that out of brick and then a timber side. So yeah, that's to come. Outdoor shower, hot tub, maybe. Outdoor kitchen, barbecue area. Loads to come, loads to do. But yeah, that's finally finished. I love looking at the garden and knowing it's finished. Oh, what a great feeling that is. Still back inside. Bloody battery's gone flat. GoPro cameras, terrible. So that's also what I'm going to do. New camera, vlogging camera for everybody. So yes, also this old Mini, what to do with this old girl, bless her. It's such a good car, this. Honestly, I was never the one for Minis. Well, I was, because I've owned them before, but honestly, to say this car was £1,000, it's fantastic. It's got a light on here, but I know what that is. It's this sensor here for the brake pads on the front. I changed the back and changed the sensors, and then I noticed that the light was still on, and then when I looked at the front sensor, it deteriorated, needs for you to say, and it's this. So I just need to put this on. The pads on the front are new, but they never swapped the sensor, so that's fallen to pieces. I just need to replace that, and once I've replaced that, everything should be fine. So this car will be absolutely light free. It does have a turbo lag. It does, sometimes the turbo doesn't kick in, and I think that's due to a sensor, like a pressure sensor or something like that. But there's that to do. I want that to sort out. So I want to kind of square this car up. There is a little knock on the front as well, so I'd like to get it up in the air and have a look. But everything works on here. The windows work, the mirrors. I didn't want to go up then. The mirrors work, the lights work. I just love it. Even that's fallen off, but even watch this. Watch. What colour do you want it? Ooh. And that there, it's in the handle, it's here, it's somewhere else. Oh, it's here. I mean, that's fallen off, but it don't matter. I just love it. Honestly, I absolutely love it. But I'm gonna have no use for it. What I want to do and what I would like to do with this car is flip it. So let's say this car owes me nothing, it owes me zero. I want to upgrade it, I want to improve it, I want to make sure it's decent and roadworthy, and I want to sell it. And hopefully that money that I buy, hopefully the money that I sell it for, I can buy something else and just do bits and bobs to it. I think there's such a small margin in it, but I'd like to just see if it's possible, just to see if we can kind of keep going. So with the transporter, with the trailer on, I can pick up local cars, do good deals, and hopefully use the workshop just to kind of new and improve some certain things. I don't know, lower them, put some wheels on it, whatever. It's kind of what I've always wanted to do. So I've always wanted kind of like a portfolio of cars, but But yes, that is what's to come. So I'm on my way now to get my hair cut. Got to pick a prescription up, not a subscription. What, talking of subscription, if you subscribe, because there is a lot to come in 2025. So 2026, mate, actually. Get it right. Come on, Gordon. Oh, it's like it's like rolling coal driving this thing. Honestly, it's the brakes are crap, the steering's crap, but I love it. Proper driving. Can't see, absolute windows are fucking filthy. Oh, self in second then. Oh, but she's right. Just got here to get my hair cut. On one day we'll flip this Mini to that Porsche. Next year, this time next year, we'll be reviewing that. This is just a quick update video as to what's to come. So yes, thank you. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I shall see you in the new year. He's going to come out now. He thinks it's right. Okay, right. I shall see you later on. So yes, that's what's to come. I will see you in the new year. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, everybody. There's probably more coming, but I just thought I'd give you a little update. Right, see you later.